Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So just a quick video to let you know that if you are using Google Gemini, that if you are experiencing an issue where your chat history has disappeared using Google Gemini, and this applies to both desktop and mobile versions of the platform, then you are not alone, because over the last couple of days there have been complaints that have been coming in from people who say that months of conversations with Google's AI chatbot have disappeared. Now, it was suggested that the disappearance coincided with the rollout of Gemini 3.1, which I posted on a couple of days ago. I'll leave the video for that link down below and in the end screen, but this cannot be confirmed. And there have been numerous complaints doing the rounds on Google's support forums regarding this issue, as we can see. So I thought I'll just pop this quick video up just to let you know that if you are experiencing this issue, that you are not alone, as mentioned. Now, apparently the prompts still show up in activity logs, which does suggest that the data exists somewhere, just not where you want to see it in your recent activity or your conversation history section here in the navigation pane to the left-hand side. And for some, the recent chats haven't just disappeared from Gemini, but if we head into our settings, for some, also from Google's My Activity archive. And as mentioned, the problem is spread across both desktop and mobile versions of Gemini. Now, if you are affected by this issue, then just to let you know that the good news is that Google has acknowledged the issue and has said, and I'm quoting, "We're currently fixing a bug that temporarily hid chat history for a small number of users. Chat history for impacted users will be restored shortly. We know this is frustrating and are working quickly to resolve it." So if you did experience this issue or are experiencing this issue, then go double check. Maybe you're in luck and Google has already fixed it in your part of the world. But thought I'll just pop this quick video up. If you were affected by disappearing chat history, that Google apparently now is acknowledged that they are fixing the issue and are resolving the problem. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.